Good afternoon, YouTube fans. This is Sherry coming to you. How y'all doing today? On a stroll out in adventure world. Yes. We on a pathway in adventure. Out crossing woods. You see all those trees? Walking down the pathway. Let me say this. If someone don't like you, they just don't like you. Am I right? What do you do about it? You don't do anything about it. Just let them live in their world. And you continue to uplift your faith in the Lord. Count it all joy when you fall into diverse temptation, which is to try you of your faith. Don't let anything stagger your promise. Walk with Christ. Stay tuned in with the spiritual thing. Don't worry about nothing like petty stuff. Take your world and continue to enjoy with peaceful joy, love, happiness. Stay involved with the Word of God, and it will take us a little further. God bless you. See you in the next one.